So I bought this FOXWELL NT520 Pro with the BMW software pre-installed. It works great on my Mini Cooper. But it doesn't work on the F30 chassis. Now, this wasn't clear here when I try to read it. Can't read the VIN. Can't read any of the BMW specific information. So it doesn't actually work with BMWs, even though it was advertised to work with BMWs. So I went out to their site to see if there was a software update, and there was, and that didn't fix it. And then I went back to their site and looked around, and there's now an NT530 Pro, and here's the killer. On the NT530 Pro, there's a line item in there that says, fixes incompatibility with F-Series BMWs. So I bought this thing. Costs a lot of money. Advertises BMW specific and doesn't work with BMWs. Or doesn't work with F-Series. That's the X3s, F30s. Everything basically around 2013 through 2016 or 17. So I call them. They refuse to warranty it, even though it's a hardware defect. And the new version specifically states that it can only be fixed by buying the new version. So they want to charge me $140 or whatever for a new one, which is a good price, but this is defective. This doesn't work, and they won't stand behind it. And I'm going to cut here and then go to my emails and show you what I'm talking about for proof. So, hold on. So there I am on the FOXWELL site. And compared with the the 530 compared, blah, blah, blah. Look at this. Updated the firmware which solved the NT F-Series issue. It's a hardware issue. It can't be solved with an update. They will not support it. So here's where they, this this ongoing. The best we can offer is $140. I've already told them, listen, I'm going to do a video on this. If you guys do not support this product, it's only a few months old. And I said, please be sure you accept. I'm going to release a YouTube video on this, blah, blah, blah. And that was $116. They never got back to me. So here it is. Do your best to avoid the FOXWELL products. And definitely do not buy an NT520 BMW if you have an F-Series BMW. So this is more about informing you as a consumer not to make the same mistake I made, but also as consumers, we should be a little disappointed in FOXWELL. And I am not going to buy another product from them since there are so many available. They lost my money forever.